Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize post-study opportunities with CareerBuilder easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Visit the CareerBuilder website to start your journey. Create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the job search feature on the home page. Enter keywords related to your field of study in the search bar. Set your location to narrow down job opportunities in your area. Click on the search button to view available positions. Utilize filters to refine your search by industry, job type, and experience level. Review job listings that interest you and click for more details. Take note of the qualifications and responsibilities listed for each position. Prepare your resume by tailoring it to highlight relevant skills and experiences. Use the CareerBuilder Resume Builder tool for assistance if needed. Consider using templates that match your profession's standards. Once your resume is ready, save it to your account. Return to the job listings and apply to positions that align with your goals. Complete any necessary application questions as requested. After applying, set reminders to follow up on your applications. Explore the CareerBuilder resources section for career advice and tips. Participate in webinars or workshops to enhance your skills. Connect with alumni networks or mentors offered through the platform. Engage with CareerBuilder's community forums to share experiences and advice. Utilize the Job Alert feature to receive notifications on new opportunities. Regularly update your profile with any new experiences or skills. Stay proactive in your job search and adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.